the cutest craft for Valentine's Day. From wool fluff to a heart garland, it really is so simple. To start, you will need a brush mat or some form of a base, a felting needle, a long darner's needle, a heart-shaped cookie cutter, and a pair of scissors. You will also need pink roving wool in whatever shade you would like, and either twine or cord to hang up your garland. To make our felted heart, we need to tear away a decent amount of the roving wool. We're then going to push this into the heart-shaped cookie cutter. Make sure you have the cookie cutter already on your base. This will keep the wool in place. We're then going to take our felting needle and we're going to start stabbing into that roving wool. Make sure you keep these stabbing motions straight. We don't want to bend the needle, otherwise it might snap. Keep working the wool. The more you felt into the wool, the smoother and firmer it will be. Every now and then you'll want to flip over the cookie cutter with the felted heart in. As you can see from the other side, it's quite fluffy, so you'll need to make sure that you're working both sides. Once you've worked the wool so it's smooth and firm, we can then take it out of the cookie cutter. And there you have your lovely heartfelt shape. Repeat this as many times as necessary in lots of different pink shades. You could even do it in white and red as well. Once you have all of your felted heart shapes, we're going to take the cord or twine and we're going to measure out the length that we need for where we're going to hang it up. Snip away the length from the cord or twine. We're then going to thread the cord into our darner's needle. And we're going to start attaching the hearts onto our cord. We do this by sewing through them. So I'm going to push the needle through the tops of the felted hearts and it should go through nice and easily. Once it's through, we're going to pull that along near to the end of our cord. And then we're going to repeat this with all of the other hearts so that we get a lovely chain. Once you have attached all the hearts, we're going to make a loop on either end of the cord. I do this by folding the end back and tying a tight knot. You can snip away any excess cord that you may have. And there you have your really cute Valentine's or Galentine's garland. This is perfect to hang up for the occasion, or you can use it all year round as a lovely decoration. For more needle felt ideas and decoration inspiration, like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you'd like me to make next.